The 2024 Toyota Sienna Hybrid hides its mild-mannered personality behind a huge mouth and lots of curves and lines that are meant to set it apart from other minivans on the market. But its bold styling can't hide the fact that it's a minivan. It has two sliding side doors, a roomy interior with 3 rows of seats, and a big tailgate that can swallow a lot of goods. The ride is smooth, the car is quiet, and the accommodations are nice. However, the second-row seats are not removable like they are in most minivans, which may not work for some people. This 4th-generation Sienna only comes as a hybrid with 245 horsepower and either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The EPA estimates that the Sienna Hybrid gets 36 mpg combined, 35 mpg for AWD. However, it's slower than many competitors, and when you speed up, the engine grumbles, making a noise that can be heard inside the otherwise quiet car. The 25th anniversary package from last year is no longer available, but the XSE premium trim can be used in its place. It has heated side mirrors, puddle lamps, orange highlight stitching, black leather seats, power driver and passenger seats with memory, and a power tilt and telescopic wheel with memory. The XSE AWD and Woodland trims have bright wheels that are a darker color to match the XSE with front-wheel drive. Finally, the chrome headlights on the LE and XLE trims are made darker. Costs, and which one to buy it, ranges in price from $39,280 to $54,540 for a 2024 Toyota Sienna, based on the trim and package. The sporty XSE model interests us. It has a sunroof, front sport seats, premium audio with navigation or a JBL system, second-row captain's chairs, and Toyota's one-motion 60/40 split and stow third row. Changes to the outside include 20-inch wheels, front and back bumpers that look meaner and tighter suspension. All Sienna trims, including the XSE, come with front-wheel drive as standard. Adding all-wheel drive costs only $760, so we think it's a good idea. Since it was redesigned in 2021, the Sienna has only been available as a hybrid. The drivetrain is made up of a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that runs on gasoline and 2 electric motors that work together to make 245 horsepower. All of the models come with all-wheel drive, which is made possible by adding a 3rd electric motor that only powers the back wheels. The EPA says the Sienna gets 36 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway, making it the most fuel-efficient people hauler in its class. Adding all-wheel drives takes away 1 mpg from each measure. Our Platinum all-wheel drive test car got a total of 29 mpg, while being driven by CD workers and test drivers. The new Sienna hasn't been through our 75-mile highway fuel economy test yet. We'll add the results to this story as soon as we do. Toyota took a different approach with the Sienna's interior. It has a big center bench that goes from the dashboard to the center armrest and has a big storage space below it. Some buyers might miss the open floor plan that most of its competitors have, but the center stack and console layout does match the husky style of the outside. The Limited and Platinum models are the most expensive. They have two-tone interior trim and panels made of a material that looks like stitched leather. The sporty XSE model has black and white faux leather seats with red contrast stitching. The Sienna's second-row seats can't be taken out like those in the Odyssey and the Pacifica Hybrid, which will disappoint people who often need to carry a lot of stuff.